Or
Where
if
are
you folded it
Sanika
into
and
half.
Dhyan? Where is Dhyan?
Ma'am, I have cut it like this, the other sheet.
Ma'am, like this, right? See, what you have to do, let me explain to you all first, then you all will do it, okay? First of all, you all have to fold the sheet into half. All of you all do that, fold it. Fold the sheet into half, okay? Then, you all don't cut the full sheet. See, I have left some space, okay? You all don't have to cut the full sheet. You all cut, if you all have a scale, no? You all measure. You all have a scale, so with the help of the scale, you all can measure 1 centimeter gap or 2 centimeters, and you all make a mark on the paper, and then you all draw lines. It will be easier for you all, okay? You all have a scale, then you all make 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter marks on the paper.
I made him cut it.
Okay, you already cut it. No problem. Okay, if you all have, okay, that's fine. Even without the mark, if you all are able to cut it, if you all are able to cut it, making equal measurements, it's not an issue. Okay, you all can do it. If you all are unable to cut it straight, then you all can make marks on the paper. Okay, you all can make marks on the paper like this. Like you all measure 2 cm and you all make marks and full lines and then cut it along the lines. But you all don't have to cut it fully. You all will cut it up to a certain length. Okay, after that you all will leave this much of gap. You all will not cut the paper through. Entirely, you all are not going to cut the paper. You'll have to leave it like this. Have you all understood how to do it?
Ma'am, the 1 centimeter which we have to leave is in the corners, right? The sides.
See. Yes. This one, and even you can cut these also with equal measurements, maybe 2 centimeters like this. You measure like this, and you mark it with a pencil. Have you already cut it, Janvi? Have you already cut these strips?
Marked it.
Okay, you have just made it into half. So what you do, see, you put the scale on the paper and you take 1 centimeter measurement and you mark it. 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters, everywhere you have to do the same. Suppose you mark 1 centimeter here, then again you mark
one like this.
Yes.
Mama, means on all 4 sides?
On whole 4 sides, yes. You don't have to mark everywhere. Only on one side you mark it and then you cut it along that. Okay. Now suppose you folded the paper like this. This is the paper folded. Correct. Now you measure 1 or 2 centimeters, whatever you measure. Now if you measure 1 centimeter everywhere, you should measure 1 centimeter and pull a line. And then you draw lines like this. Okay. Up to a certain length. Don't cut it fully. Up to a certain length, you put another line from here and then you start cutting it till this line. Did you understand, Janvi?
So this side also there should be 1 centimeters, right? Space.
Yes, you keep on the top also. You keep 1 centimeter, like here.
So
okay, on the top also you keep 1 centimeter gap. You don't have, it's fine. Like if you how many 1 centimeter lines are coming, you can cut that many. Dhyan, have you done it? Yeah.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
fine. Now wait a little. So that Ariha, have you done it, Beta?
Yes,
Show
ma'am.
me. Show it to me. Okay, you have already prepared it. Okay, fine. Yeah. Nice. Sanika? Sanika? Is she there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please put on your put on your videos, okay, so that I can see. Show me. Have you started doing it? Okay. Yeah.
No, I'll just start
And
doing
keep
it.
your video on.
Ma'am, what to do after cutting it?
Yeah. Wait a little. I'll explain once for all. Then you all are having paper strips, right? Paper
Yes,
strips.
ma'am.
Dhyan,
Yeah.
show the
Okay.
cut that you have made. Can you show what you have cut right now?
Ma'am.
Okay. Hello.
Janvi, have you done it?
Ma'am, I've cut a bit like this shirt. So, ma'am, can I show you first
Yeah.
and then cut the rest? Like that
Yeah.
way?
Yeah. Show it to me.
Ma'am, see, so I have left 1 centimeter gap here and I have cut it from the middle.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ma'am,
Okay.
should I cut the whole thing? Then I'll cut the strips.
Sanika, have you done it?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. So,
I
let me learn how to do it then. Yeah. Wonderful. Nice. You have already done it, right? Correct. It's correctly done. Okay. See, Dhyan. Now, Jayant, have you done it? Show, Jayant, how much have you done?
Ma'am, I've done only till this much.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Now what you'll do, you'll are having paper strips, right? Dhyan and Jayant. Okay. Now what you'll do, you'll look.
No, ma'am, I don't
can
have
see?
paper strips.
Okay. If you don't have, then you'll have to cut. You'll are having another colored paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you'll do, you'll measure equal segments. Okay. You'll take a scale, measure maybe measure 1 cm and put a mark, and then
Okay.
cut it along that mark. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So Dhyan, you are having paper strips. Are you having paper strips, Dhyan?
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Yeah. See what you have to do. Then Dhyan, you see what you have to do. You'll take a paper strip. You will put it under the first one. Then you will go over the second one. Then you'll go under the third one. Over, under, over, like that. You go with this paper strip under and over alternatively. Okay, one under, one over, one under, one over. In that way, you have to do it. It comes like this.
Ma'am, I have cut this one.
Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, I've cut this one. Now I have to cut the paper strips. I will take a while.
Okay.
Ma'am, is that okay?
Yeah,
I'll just take
it
a
is
while.
okay. Yeah. So, Dhyan, you understood the first one. First, you go under, then over, then under and over the paper strips. Sorry, this paper, okay, which is already cut like this. You understood this? How to do it? The first
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Okay. Then what you do with the second one? The second one, the first one you went under. You went under first. Now you go over first. First you go over, then under, then over, then under, over, under. In the same way, you will do it alternatively. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do it. See. Now it forms.
Ma'am, can I do it with longer strips?
Yeah, you have to do it with longer strips. You cannot do it with shorter ones. You have to do it with longer ones.
Ma'am, this and this are almost the same height, the strips and this. Would that do?
Okay. Yeah. And the strips, you have to cut it completely. Okay? You have to make strips. You have to cut it completely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Dhyan, have you understood how to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it. Jayant, how much have you done? Show me. Have you started cutting the paper strips?
Ma'am, I've almost done the whole thing.
Show it to me.
Ma'am, I have the paper strip and I'm ready with the base. So, ma'am, can I start weaving?
Okay. Yeah. Do you know how to weave it?
Yes, ma'am, under and over.
Okay. Under and over. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have weaved the strip. Ma'am, like this?
Yeah. Correct. Now, if you have started with under, the next strip you will start with over. Okay? Make sure.
Ma'am, done. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Yeah. Who's Sanika? Yes. Very good. Nice.
Ma'am, now can
Yeah.
I stick the extra ones
Yeah.
behind?
Yeah. Behind. Yeah. You can. Yes,
Ma'am?
Anika. Yeah, yeah. You have stuck it, no, with the glue? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ma'am, do I have to do it like this?
Yes, Jen. Yeah. And if you have started from under, then the next strip you'll start from over. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am,
that
I
it is
know.
alternate.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanika, Janvi, and Ariha, please turn your videos on.
I'm eating breakfast. Ma'am, I'm tired.
Tired of what? Leaving?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have already made this.
Okay, Sanika.
Yes, ma'am. Even I have made my video on off because I had also made it already.
Okay.
Hmm,
Janvi, how far have you reached?
can't tell.
Oh my God. Continue. How about Dhyan and Jayant? Okay.
Ma'am, I'm currently putting the third strip.
Okay. All right. So, Nicola ma'am, now that the students have got a hang of it, how to do it, we will, in 2 minutes' time, we will start with the thread weaving activity. And students can continue the paper weaving after the class and send us the pictures.
Ma'am, that would be so good.
Jayant, show me how much you have done. Okay. Okay, fine. Dhyan,
Yes, ma'am.
show me how much you have done. Okay, you've just started it.
No, ma'am, I have done 2 strips. I'm doing the third one.
Two strips. Okay, fine. So we'll be the thread one. We can start with it, okay? Okay, fine, Aliha. No issues. You can see how it is done. Uh, we'll start within few minutes, okay? The other activity we'll start within few minutes.
So tedious, no, to weave. And it's so easy to go and buy clothes and wear different types of clothes. Imagine how much of efforts being put on in order to make one pair of clothes that you wear.
Yes, ma'am. I'm tired in 4 strips.
I could make that out from your voice also now.
Ma'am, I also don't have thread.
Jayant, you don't
Who?
have thread?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
don't have wool?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So observe, okay? Ma'am will do it. You all observe how ma'am is doing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's just a few seconds.
Ma'am, I
Then we'll
have
start with the other
wool
one.
and thread and a needle. And
Okay, Sanika, you need a
okay.
lot more wool than this.
Okay, I'll just get it.
What about Janvi? What about Dhyan? You all have thread and wool both? Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, this much is okay.
Yeah, I mean, you
Is
have more at
this
home, right?
much okay?
Yes, Janvi, that much is
Yeah,
okay.
that's okay, exactly. So all of you will get something like this, okay? And you all have to make it and put the picture on the group. Jayant, Janvi and Dhyan, you all are left with it, okay? You all have to prepare it and you all have to post pictures on the group. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now what you all will do with the extra strips, you all will secure it with glue, okay? You all will paste it
Is this much okay?
behind. Yeah, you all will paste it like this behind.
Yes, Sanika.
Clear? Now we'll start with the thread weaving experiment. So you need two colors of thread. If you all don't have, you all can do it with one. Okay? But I'm using two colors of thread. Now you all need a small cardboard like this. Okay? You all need a small cardboard like this. Yes. You all make 1 centimeter line on both the sides. 1 centimeter line.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhyan. You
this
have a
one.
lot of wool. Yeah, more than enough. Okay. So you all of you all have this cardboard. Those who are doing the weaving one, the thread weaving one. Okay, fine. Now what you all will do on the side, you all can see a mark with a pencil. You all will make a mark, a 1 centimeter mark on both the sides, and you all will
Ma'am,
pull lines. Make a 1 centimeter mark and pull lines.
ma'am, on all four
Janvi,
sides.
video on, please.
Uh, yes, I couldn't follow. Yes, okay. Yes, Anika, it's okay. Now, um, Dhyan, you also have to pull lines on both sides, maybe 1 centimeter, and you pull lines, okay?
Ma'am, like
Then what
this.
you will do, yeah,
Ma'am,
on
not
both the
on
sides, on any
On
two
two
sides,
opposite
not
sides.
on four sides, only on two sides, one,
yes, ma'am.
two.
There are two sides.
Okay, okay. It's not visible to me. Okay. So on two sides, you all have drawn lines. Now what you all will do, you all will make 0.5 from this side. Like you take the scale and 0.5 centimeter gap you just make a mark. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, or it should be 0.5 centimeter distance. Okay. 0.5 centimeter distance, you all make a mark.
Ma'am, in the line.
See, you drew you made a 1 centimeter line like
Yes.
this. You made a mark and you pull the line. Now
Yes.
what you do, you keep the scale longitudinally like this. And you make
Ma'am, then
marks
for
of
the
0.5. 0.5 centimeters, you make marks like this.
ma'am,
You make
in the
small,
line
small marks.
or outside the lines, like in
No,
between or in the
it
line.
is before the line, like not in the line,
Okay,
before the
okay.
line. Because you all will only cut till the line. You all will not cut more than the line. Till the line you all are going to cut. So you all will make
Ma'am,
0.5
how many
centimeters.
marks we have to make?
See how many marks will come on your cardboard? That much 0.5 centimeters you will take from the top to the bottom.
Ma'am, on both sides.
Yeah, on both sides. 0.5 centimeter mark on both sides. Okay, like you all drew the line.
Ma'am,
Now
like
you all
this, can you see it?
like this. Yes, I can see it. Yeah, on one side as you did it, for the second side also, for the other side also you have to do it. Yes,
Ma'am, like
Dhyan.
this.
What are you trying to show me? Yeah.
Ma'am, the mark.
You have done the line. I can see the line, but I can't see any marks. Have you done the
Ma'am,
0.5
I'm making it.
centimeter? Okay,
Ma'am,
you're
I'm
making
making
it.
it.
Fine. Have you done the lines on both the sides? Suppose you do it in this side, you have to do it on the other side also.
Yes, ma'am.
This side and this side, both.
Jayant, you can do the cardboard activity. Do you have the cardboard?
Yes, ma'am.
So do the cardboard activity. Whenever you get the thread, you can complete the weaving.
Okay, ma'am.
Or if you cut 0.5 centimeter.
Ma'am, I made it on both
And
sides.
okay, you made it on both sides. Now what you will do, till the line, you will cut, you will use a scissors and you will cut those marks. Till the line, not more than the line. Okay, till the line, you will cut. You will take a scissors and you will, and like I made the marks, then I already cut it. Okay, it's already cut.
Ma'am,
You
so
will
it's
cut
like
it.
a bit, you can move it like that
Yeah,
after you've cut it.
yeah.
Ma'am, we have to make lines like this and we have to cut that.
Yes, you'll have to cut those lines, but don't cut it completely. Only till the line. Okay, only till the line.
Ma'am, like that, can you see it?
Small cuts.
Ma'am,
Yes.
look, I'll show you the sign. The 1.5, I mean 0.5 centimeter till this line we have to cut it, right?
Yes. You'll have to cut that line. Till that line, you'll have to cut it.
Ma'am, but why do we need to cut it?
Okay, this is called a loom. Okay, this cardboard will act as a loom. We'll
Oh, so
when we
we'll
are
put
studying a
the between them.
thread. Yes.
In the cuts, we'll put them.
Yeah. Have you all cut it?
No, ma'am. The cardboard is very hard to cut. So, ma'am, it will take a while.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm doing the second side.
Okay. Fine.
And I'm still on the first one.
Sanika, have you done it?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm on the second one.
Fine.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, like that. Now see what you have to do next. Look what I'm doing. Okay, you all will hold the thread and you all will leave a little bit of thread and start, putting it from this side into this.
Ma'am, I can't see anything.
Is it visible?
Can you do it again, please? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, I'm doing it again. You'll hold a little bit of thread here, put it through one of the cuts,
Yes,
go
ma'am.
to the other side, put it like this, and then
Ma'am, so basically
move
we
to
have
the
to
other
loop
side.
it around.
Yes, yes. You'll have to loop it around.
This is quite easy than the last
Yeah.
one.
Um, Children, can you all keep your camera focused to the activity that you're doing? I can see your pretty faces though.
You'll have to do it in this way, okay? Keep a little bit of thread before starting because you have to tie that piece of thread at the end. So you have to keep a little bit of thread.
Ma'am, is this how we have to cut it?
Show me, Jayant, I
Ma'am,
can't
why
see.
do we
Yeah,
need two
yeah.
colors?
Why do we need?
Two colors of thread?
No, you can use even one color. Two colors so that it will be prominently visible. If you don't have, you can use one color thread also. Doesn't matter.
Ma'am, will we be putting the second color from the side?
Because one will be doing like this, one will be going longitudinally, and one will go over and under as you all did the weaving one with the paper. Okay?
Oh,
One will go over and under this one. The other thread will go over and under this one.
Not easy, Janvi.
I thought this was it.
Okay, I have.
Fun class, right? Only activity today.
Yeah, pretty fun class. I wish every class was like that. Ma'am, will there be a quiz for this class?
No.
Ma'am, not done cutting.
Oh, will there be a quiz? Yes, the quiz will be on the portal.
Oh, okay. Ma'am,
So basically, the quiz will be one quiz per chapter. So last week and this week we are doing the same chapter. So there will not be any new quiz.
ma'am, then I'm done with the quiz last time. After class only I did it. Yeah, I also done it after class.
Okay. See, children, when y'all do this, okay, y'all will do it like this. Before starting, y'all have to keep little bit thread. So y'all tie it like this behind. Y'all tie
And
it
the
up.
problem is, and the thread is
Yes,
not going through the cuts.
it will go. You try to put it. Yes, yes, Sanika, it's okay. But show how have you tied it behind?
Ma'am, I'm going to tie it now.
Okay, fine. Tie it behind. Okay, like this, and then you cut the extra pieces like this. You'll loop it around and tie it at the back. Before starting with the loop, you'll have to leave a little bit of thread, and after that also a little bit of thread should be left so that you'll tie it, secure it.
Ma'am,
Okay?
first time we have to make two loops, right?
Two loops. Show me. Yes. Then you go again through this. You
The
go
next one,
once.
right?
Yes, the next one. And you carry on like that.
It's becoming easier, but not easy.
Ma'am, I have tied it.
Okay, now what you all will do, you all will put it into a needle or an ice cream stick. Tie it with an ice cream stick or a needle. If you all have a needle, well and good. If you all do not have, you all can use an ice cream stick for it. And in the same way, this is how we made the paper one. The paper one was made before, like lines like this, then you went over and under it.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Yes,
didn't
dear.
understand why we need to use a needle.
Dhyan, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, I did this much. What should we do?
Okay, so you go, you take the thread, leave a little bit of thread, and then you start looping it around. You start looping it like this. From here, you go to here, then again you loop it around. All these cuts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you'll do that. Then another thread, Sanika, see, another thread. What y'all will do? Y'all will go over and under how y'all did with the paper one.
Can
Okay.
anybody show me that how we have to use the ice cream stick?
You have to tie it with the ice cream stick. That's it.
Ma'am, how we tie it with an ice cream stick?
Bring an ice cream stick. Show. Have you? Do you have the ice cream stick?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not done weaving. I just want to know.
Yeah. You have to tie the thread to the ice cream stick once. Okay. Then with the ice cream stick, you go over and over, under, and you carry on.
Oh, like that. That's much more easier then. Oh, ma'am, can we end this thread and use another color thread to do that? Look more.
If you have not done it fully, it's okay. You can start with another color. No problem.
Ma'am, like that, right? Ma'am, like this?
Yes, yes. And you tie it at the back. Even this little bit of thread you will keep. Okay?
Ma'am, can you please tell how to tie the thread to the ice cream stick?
Suppose this is the ice cream stick. You tie the thread like this. Tie it, make a knot, and then
Ma'am,
start.
after finishing this experiment, what do we have to do with this?
You all can keep it, and you all can show.
Poster.
You all know how to do weaving.
Ma'am, we can use it as a
Right?
poster.
You all can use it as a
Poster.
poster. Yeah.
Ma'am, like this we have to tie. Wait, just.
Ma'am, I'm done with the first half.
Okay. So you take another thread. You have you tied it at the end? Have you tied it?
No, ma'am. Like I have just got hold of it.
Yeah. Tie it at the back. Now with if you'll have one thread, then you all can go under and over it. Okay, with the help of the ice cream stick.
Ma'am, like this we have to tie.
Yes, and then go under and over it. Yeah.
So it's like basically you are using the ice cream stick as a needle.
Ma'am, what if we have a needle?
if you have a needle, you can use a needle. Ice cream stick would be easier because it's a little larger, so you can make. I mean, it's not very minute to do if you have an ice cream stick.
I do have an ice cream stick.
So better use that.
So, ma'am, like if we went through one piece, then we have to tie it again and then go from the other piece, right? Or like just go it around.
But you have to leave little bit thread. Okay, don't start right from the end. I left this much of thread. Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I left this much.
Yeah, fine.
Jayant, what are you doing? You have done the cutting work.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't have the normal sewing thread also?
Ma'am, I'll check now.
Yeah. இது ரெண்டு தான் நடுவுல இருக்கு ரெண்டு
Ma'am?
Yes, Janvi.
Ma'am? Ma'am, like we have that cardboard, so the two ends, do we have to tie them individually in the single knot or we have to tie them together?
See, the first thread that you wind it. Show me. See.
Yes. So we have to tie them together?
Yes, you all have to tie them together.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show how we have to do it that wise?
This one, see, can you see the yellow thread?
Yes, ma'am. From behind, we have to just take it over.
No, that thread is separate. Then you cut that thread. This one, I have cut it.
Oh.
Okay. Then you start with another thread.
Then we have to cut it and then do it again.
Yes. Then you have to start this way. Through the threads, you have to go under, over.
Nicola ma'am, she's asking that once she starts with the yellow thread, does she have to continue all the rows or she has to do one row at a time?
No. You have to continue all the rows. Suppose now I finished with this row now. Okay.
Yes.
Now you go this way. You go again from this side. Okay.
Okay.
You have to continue. Suppose now you don't have to cut it from here.
Ma'am, will this thread do?
Yes, Jen.
Okay.
So Jen, because the thread is very thin, the efforts that you'll be putting in will be a little more. And you have a thread in another color?
Ma'am, how to tie it?
You have to.
The first one,
ma'am is showing.
Who asked? Jayant, did you ask how to tie it?
Ma'am, Dhyan. Ma'am, how to tie it?
Okay. Show me, Dhyan, how much you have done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. From the back, turn it to the back. You have two pieces of thread from both the sides. From the beginning and from the end.
Yes.
Tie it together.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tie it.
Ma'am,
Make a knot. Yes. Make another knot. And then cut off the leftover portions. Understood, Dhyan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like this?
Yes. Now you have to go. You have to start with the needle. Put the needle inside, or needle or ice cream stick, whatever you have. You have to put it inside, and you have to start weaving. Ice cream stick. You tie thread to the ice cream stick.
Ma'am, how?
Suppose this is ice cream stick, and you tie thread and put a knot. Put 2 knots. Then that ice cream stick, the ice cream stick acts as a needle. Okay, then you put it over and under and over and under like that.
Ma'am, so how do we have to tie it to the ice cream stick?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
See, I'm showing you. Suppose this is the ice cream stick, for example. Okay.
Ma'am, like
For
this?
example, this is ice cream stick. Yes, this is the ice cream stick. You'll tie it like this. 1 knot, 2nd knot, and you're done. Now put this over and under and over and under like that. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to take another thread.
Yeah, if you'll have another color, it's good. And if you don't have, you can do the same thread.
Color.
Okay, if you don't have another color, you have cut that from the behind.
Ma'am,
You take another piece of, yeah. Now you take another piece. Yeah, you threaded it. You tie one end to the ice cream stick, and that ice cream stick you have to go under and over. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like this?
Ma'am, see, ma'am, I have put the ice cream stick. Now I'm pulling it.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
like
like
this?
that. Yes, like that. Sandra.
Ma'am, this is much more easier.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's a bit confusing.
It's confusing. If you start one with under, you have to start the other one with over.
No, ma'am, like I
And
have
it
done
has
this,
to-
but both sides they are thread. So, ma'am, if I go the other side, this thread will be left.
You have to leave thread before starting it, because then again you have to tie it. How you tied the first thread, again you have to tie this thread.
Ma'am, we have
also.
to
So you
do
leave.
we have to put it in here.
Yes, yes. Over and under, you will go with the ice cream stick.
Nicola ma'am, Nicola ma'am, can you please show them after they have finished one row by doing it like the crisscross weaving, when they start the next row, how do they start? Is there a question?
Okay.
Ma'am, so
See,
so we just go under and over.
No, no, no.
first you have to go under and over. One. Yes. Yes, Anita.
Ma'am, like this.
I'll go under and over one. Then that same, you don't have to cut it. Okay, that same one, you'll bring it from the other side and do it again. See, I'm showing y'all. Now this is
Ma'am, a little below. Yeah, we can't see the weaving.
is it
Ma'am, we
visible?
have to put it like this.
Ma'am,
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, see, I have done this. So, ma'am, should I go
Yeah.
like that and then do
Yes.
it?
Yes. Yes. You have to go from the other side and again start.
Okay, ma'am.
So, how's the back side of your weaving, Nicola? Can you show them?
See, it will go like this. The
Okay.
back side. Okay, you'll have to go around and again start it, but in the alternative way. If you all have started from under, you always start now from over. Again, go back side and then again do it. Okay, like that you'll have to do it.
Sanika, yours is a little different, na, Sanika?
Ma'am,
How is it behind on the back side? Yeah, so that's what
Ma'am,
ma'am
it
was
should be like
explaining.
this,
The yellow,
right?
yeah, the yellow thread should be behind.
See, suppose you'll start from one side, you'll go over now I am doing this. I have finished this. Can you all see? Now I go around and I start again from this side.
Nicola ma'am. Yeah. So Nicola ma'am, let the students continue. We have it's 11:15. We have to start the next class.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So students,
Yeah.
you all
So you
continue.
all do this.
Ma'am, like this.
Uh,
Ma'am, like this.
yes. Now with one thread, when you went over and under, now you have to go around and again start from the same side.
Ma'am, we have to go around like this. No?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, you all can continue. Okay, and you all post the pictures on the group.
Oh God.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye.
This completely got out.
Bye, everyone. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. leaves, and that when they are mature, they start salivating. And the saliva around them. Okay? Start becoming the pupa inside self antibodies. So that leads to death of the worm tract to fibers. All is this is a process. But every cell, every cell that is start with the move flight. That's the ahimsa paya. Ahimsa. It's a silk. certificates, certain certificates not valid, but other types of Hello, can you hear me? So you'll need the map of India, okay? Yeah, and you'll need some colors, pencil colors, and a pencil. Okay, see what you'll have to do. Can you all see my? Can you all see the map? Can you all see the map, everyone? Okay. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to. Are you having a map that's already colored? Show me your maps. Okay. Show me your maps, all of you. Okay. If you're already having the colored map, then you all will only mark the places, okay, where wool is produced and the animal that produces wool in that state. Okay. And if you are having an outline of a map, you all can color it, and also you all can label the state where the wool is produced and by what animal it is being produced. Okay. So the first one is it is being produced in Kashmir. Okay. All of you can mark it by the Kashmiri goat. In Kashmir, it is being produced by the Kashmiri goat. Wool is being produced by Kashmiri goat. Okay, all of you have done it. Wool is also produced in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, wool is produced in Himachal Pradesh. You'll mark it. You'll mark it and write the animal that produces wool in that state with the pencil. So wool is produced in Himachal Pradesh by the yak. Yak produces wool in Himachal Pradesh. All right. Then this is Punjab. The southern side of Punjab and Haryana, they produce wool is produced there by the Lohi sheep. Wool is produced there. Okay. Yes. Did someone ask something? Now is it visible? Now is it visible? Okay. I Lohi sheep. Lohi sheep produces wool there in the southern part of Punjab and Haryana. Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Yes. Okay. 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 Screen is not visible. Just 1 second. I'm just logging in again. Is this okay? Okay. So then, in Uttar Pradesh, goat produces wool. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, the goat is producing wool. Rajasthan and Gujarat, camel produces wool. Rajasthan and Gujarat, camel produces wool. Goat. Yeah. Okay. Then in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana. Yes. In Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, sheep produces wool. Again, I'm repeating it. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, the sheep produces wool in these 5 states. All of you have done it? Okay. In West, yes, here, yes. Yeah. Will I repeat it again? Yeah. In Jammu and Kashmir, the Kashmiri goat produces wool. Okay. In Himachal Pradesh, yak produces wool. In the southern part of Punjab and Haryana, Lohi sheep, that is Lohi, Lohi sheep produces wool. Yak, 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 Y-A-K, yak, yeah. Okay. Then in West Bengal, the black Punjab and Haryana, Lohi sheep, Lohi, Lohi sheep. Okay. Then in West Bengal, black Bengal goat. Black Bengal goat produces wool in West Bengal. Okay. All of you have done it? Yes. What will I repeat? Black Bengal goat. Black Bengal goat. Okay. In West Bengal. Yeah. So these are the wool producing states, and the wool is produced by different animals in different states. Okay. And the largest producer of wool is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest producer of wool in India. All right. Okay. All of you have written the animals that produce wool in the various states. Yes. Yes, Harshini. Camel. Camel. Rajasthan and Gujarat, both camel. Yeah. All of you have done it. I hope all of you have done it. Everyone? Okay. 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 So, ma'am can take over. Can you all see the 4 samples of silk? Can you all see it? Okay. So this is the airy silk. Okay. Yeah. This is the airy silk. This is the, yeah. Is it freezing for everyone? Now is it okay? Now is it okay? What do I do now? Should I log in again?